Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My idea for today is to create some name tags for my plants. This one you get the little plaque on the top that says Plant One on Me. You get 2 flowers and 2 watering cans. On this one you get a plaque at the top that says Live Life in Full Bloom, and you get 4 flowers. I do have 2 sets of each one, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the staples from the backing of each one, and they are strung on a ribbon, so I'm going to use a flat tip screwdriver and pry off all these staples. I have my single flowers here and my watering can. So on these, what I want to do is I want to take my flower and use a coordinating acrylic paint and paint the back side. That way I can use the front and the back. And also I want to paint like a label size rectangle in the center of the flowers, and that way I can put the name of the plant on the little label there. So for the label I want to use some chalkboard paint, that way I can use chalk to write the name of the plant. And let me show you the colors I'll be using for this green one. I have decided to go with this Hauser medium green. Similar, not to exact, but it is similar. And then for the purple ones I decided to go with purple. There we go. And for the golds, I've decided to use antique gold. And then for this color here, I have mountain blue that I want to use. And then for the chalkboard paint, I have this. I found this chalkboard paint at the Dollar Tree, so you can pick that up from there. I also found this chalkboard paint at Dollar General, and it comes in a blue tint color, so that's another option I have. And then for the edges of my flowers and the watering can, I want to use my gold paint and give it some added cuteness. I also have my white paint pen. This one is from the Dollar Tree. I have this one so I can complete the designs on the flowers here and then just mimic it on the back side. I will also need something to hold my name tags or plant label tags up. So I have these. These are wires from garden stakes. For example, see, look at my gnome. So I have a bunch of these from previous projects that I have been saving, and I want to go ahead and take my stakes here and then attach my flower like that. How cute, right? So this way I have something to stake into the my garden pots. And you can use wood if you like, but I have a feeling that the wood is going to get wet, and you know, eventually time will break down the wood. But it's an option. You can always replace the wooden piece if you stake it on a wooden piece. So those are some of my options for this project. I will also be using my favorite glue, my multi-purpose cement. So this glue is waterproof, so it'll work really well for this project. I have completed all my paintings. I painted the back side and put the leaf impressions on there, and I did the outline with the gold pen on both sides. And there's the bluish tealish greenish color. And then there's these two. And the yellow ones. And then the water cans. On this one, I only put gold on the handle, the top handle and the side handle. And I just did a very thin outline on the can in the gold paint. Now I am ready to add my chalk paint where all my names are going to go. So I have my chalkboard paint here, and it is in black, and I bought mine from the Dollar Tree. I want to paint enough here to where I can still write the name of the plant on here. And I want to use my chalk paints to write the name of the plant, and then that way when I change plants I can my tags are reusable. I'm gonna let this dry and then see if I need to add another coat. There we go. So I'm gonna do this to all the flower, the front and back. I completed the label portion on my flowers. So I decided it needed a little, I don't know, a better shape than just the stripe that I was doing on my flowers. So I attempted to make some sort of shape. So that's what they look like. Now you can use a stencil on yours if you like. Depending of what you want yours to look like. So I did that to all of them. I did a little shaping front and back. And then this, again, this is in the chalkboard paint. And then on my water cans, I just left it like this shape here. I am ready to attach these to my stakes. And again, I have a bunch of these metal stakes. I just trimmed off the adornment, so I have these left over. I have different colors, so I'm not really particular about the color, but if you like, you can always spray paint yours if you like. So I'm going to take these and attach them just like that. Another thing is, don't forget, you put a sealant on your flower petals if you're putting it outside. That way it prolongs the cardboard or the MDF that this is made out of. Now if you're going to spray paint it, I suggest you spray paint it before you put on the chalkboard paint. Other than that, you won't be able to use your chalkboard. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take some of my multi-purpose cement. I've used this and I know it is waterproof, so I'm going to stick with that. I don't want to use hot glue because where I live here, it gets hot outside, and hot glue doesn't work too well in the heat. It heats up and things tend to fall off. So I'm just going to attach just a bit right there, like that, and then on my watering can, I'll put a generous amount there and make sure that catches. And what I'll do is I'll just make sure that those dry before I take them outside. And let me move this aside. Let's test these, see how well this works. So I got my collection of chalk paint, and I bought these from everywhere. I bought some from Walmart, from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, wherever I can find it. And let's see, like if I want to plant like what would I want to plant? Green beans. I just put green beans on here. Since I have different colors available, I'll just match it to my mood. Let's see, and then that was the yellow one, and then here's the blue one. So let's see, let's put tomatoes. I'll try tomato. Like that. See? That's the blue one. And then I have a green one here. Let's see. Let's do... See? I needed to make my chalk just a little bit longer on some of them. Maybe if I stagger it. There we go. That's one thing you may want to, consider, because these chalks, they do tend to write a little chunky. Let's see. Let me grab a purple one here. And let's see. Maybe squash. Right? See, look how cute. If you match your chalk paint or your chalk writer to your name tag, very cute. And then let's see, let's do a white one. What else I want to plant? Bell pepper. There you go, bell pepper. That's the white marker. Let's see, and I have, let's do this one. I have a pink one, and then this one, let's see, maybe cucumber. See, it's bright pink, but it doesn't show up like that when you write it. See there? How cute, right? So we've done all this, and then if you ever decide, you want to change out, supposedly you're supposed to make a wet cloth and then it just wipes right off. See there? And I'm using a wet wipe. Just let it dry, and then you can start all over. See? Easily done. Let me try a dry cloth. And then there we go. See? How cute. So I had fun creating these today. I hope that I have inspired you to create some name tags for your plants and your flowers in your yard. Really cute. I love these flower shapes that I found at Dollar Tree. If you see these at Dollar Tree, pick some up and give these name tags a try. Have some fun. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.